It was I who granted them eternal repose. I
Dude
have
is
even
fucking
restored the
yoked.
charred scriptures piece by
Holy shit.
piece.
How goes it, guys? We are back. We're going to play some more, of course, Black Myth Wukong. I'm enjoying the game. It's a very fun game. It's one of... I'm pretty sure it's one of my top 5 games, to be honest. I'm enjoying it just a ton. I did a lot of things today. Fought a lot of bosses. Got my ass handed to me only a few times. I'm not going to lie. I am a good guy in the game, apparently. I do decent-ish. So yeah, I'm not going to show everything again. I'm going to show mostly the boss fights because that's the most important part. The cinematic views, the views from some places in the game that look cool to me, and I'm going to see if I can compress the videos a bit more because I mean people don't want to see me running around searching for loot the entire time. So in any case, hopefully you guys enjoy this. If you do end up enjoying this video, know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, notify yourself, and I'll put my blink with it by clicking the notification bell, and just enjoy the madness that is this game. And yeah, just spreading them to the advice I am. And hopefully I'll see you guys in the next game. Next one? Yeah. Cheers! I'm boo time, baby. Alright. We're back playing some Wukong. I don't know how far. Yesterday I was so upset, dude. So I recorded the boss fights and shit, and I was heavily excited to share that with you guys. And then for some reason, it just did. Oh my fuck. Games. My PC is still warming up, sorry. But for some reason, my game just decided, you know what, fuck you. I'm not gonna, oh shit. Well, that was fun. But yeah, he just said, nah, I'm not gonna record the audio for that part. Do you know why? Because I don't wanna. It's literally the whole thing with that part. And I'm pretty sure I edited everything correctly. So I had to remove the fight with the guy that gave me the fire blade and the main boss of the fucking video. I was so pissed yesterday. So I don't know what to say about that. I am sorry about that. Please forgive me. Oh my soul. You stupid little fucking monkey haters. They hate us because they ain't us. It's literally what they... Oh my fucking soul. I missed all of that. Oh my... I hate the snake people in this game. I hate them. Haven't died to a boss once, died twice to fucking snake people already. That's... No way, did I die twice to them? I don't think so, but I'm like, look how far away I spawn at each and every time. I'm actually gonna ignore them now. I'm just gonna skip all of you guys because
This humble
is this
one's
a...
name is Guangmo. Should my demise come by your hands, please pass this message to my master. Searching for deity, mortals do aspire. Craving immortality, Yao Guais surely will conspire!
Come on. Come on then, bitch. Wait, what the fuck is shooting me in my back?
All's in vain. Save your own effort.
Is it one of those fucking dumb bosses that summon minions while you fight them? Because if it is, I'm severely pissed off right now. Alright, bitch. Oh yeah, read your attack like a master. I can only fucking hit him in the air, unfortunately. Oh, I thought I could dodge that.
Boys, keep him mental.
Ooh. Oh, okay. Hmm. Where are you, baby boy? Come on then. Oh fuck. Okay. There you go. Oh, I didn't expect that shit. Come on then. Oh, fucking nerd. Well, you're dead in any case, so... Yes, sir!
Master is possession obsessed. You are just like him.
Cool, bro. I'm glad I'm just like your master.
I remember the evil monks abetted Elder Ginger to burn the great city.
Oh, it's another one of the dongs. Wait, last time I did this, I got a new weapon, right? Did I forget to pick up the lad's weapons?
I have an ominous feeling. After the bell rang, it seems as though the resentment in the depths of the mountain has grown. Ah, forget it. Overthinking won't help. Your presence has already made a mess in the mountain. Why not go ahead? Take them out, once and for all.
Yeah, I agree. Let's take them out as a monkey man. I do not know what the material does, but that's cool. Is that a monkey person?
Help a big brother! Give them a drop!
There we go. Who's this man?
These snake guys are nothing to fear. Snake gall steeped in drink, though, makes a fine tonic to flush malady. Here, here, young friend. Be my guest inside.
Who is this? Before I talk to him, I'm gonna gather some shit around here, absorb this. I know a boss fight if I see one.
Hailed bird, what dimmed your shine? Past's grip beyond our grasp. The future we may still clasp.
Isn't this the guy we fought in the beginning? Oh no.
Late is the hour, young one, in which you choose to stain my tranquil abode. Pray tell, to what end do you seek?
Oh shit. That's one of those delayed motherfuckers again. Oh, I mean, how does he hit me still in the air though? Yeah, I'm dead. It's weird to track his moves to dodge them.
Imposter.
It's weird to track his moves, 100%. Oh! Oh! These delayed fucking movements, dude. Holy shit. Just because he fucking delays every single, well, not every single, because he's got the fast attacking ones that doesn't delay, and then he's got the ones that just fucking, it's like Margaret with those delayed fucking movements. Holy shit. That's something that's fucking annoying me right now. Holy.
And some deeds still
Ay, man. Fuck me. I thought I could stun this guy, but I haven't stunned him once, unfortunately. Dude, so one time you hit him, he jumps off of the guy. Another time he doesn't hit him and he doesn't jump. Just doesn't jump off of the guy. Like, what am I supposed to do there? Oh, I got lucky there. Luckily.
a ripple awake, not without
Dude, stop going into that fucking movement. Holy shit. Ay, man.
still not see it.
I'm just gonna finish you off like this, buddy.
You have forced my hand. Now you shall face what I truly am.
Oh, fuck. Here it comes again. I thought I dodged that shit. Come on. Since you like water so much, feel fucking fire, bitch. Okay, let's drink. Yeah, I know that fucking move now.
Denying fate means death.
Okay. Ay, man. 2 times in a row now. I thought I could read. Okay. What hit me there? What? I don't know what hit me there. What? Oh. Yeah. Alright. Come on. Oh, fuck you. I think if you just stay away from him, it makes him waste. Don't tell me your third phase as well.
Halt! No ill will, I bear. I'm merely my brother's eyes and ears. I feign my loyalty to guard this path on the bear's order. Your destiny's bleak and stark. In its grip, we share the mark. The Guanyin temple now lies in cinders, yet the elder soul endures. The root of
What?
greed ever fosters the stem of suffering. Better to forget the thing you truly seek. The three bells. Have you seen them all? Do you
Three.
too desire that which they ceaselessly hold dear?
The bells.
Huh?
3 bells were set in the mountains since the Black Wind Choir's return, yet no one is allowed to go near them.
Okay.
Maybe the bells have something to
That was
do
a close
with
fucking
the
fight at the
temple's
end there.
burning.
I don't even have
His
mana
words sound
left,
like
technically.
truth to me, little monkey. Stay sharp and keep a lookout.
Something's hanging. Nah. Something's hanging in that tree, bruh. Okay, well. Tell me it's another boss fight now. Aye. Yeah, let's just kill these fuckers with this. Because I don't want to die and have to run all the way back now. There we go. Who's hanging there? It's a wolf. Alright. So this is the third bell I'm ringing. A gate has opened because I rang 3 bells. Oh, there's 2 things. Oh, this is gonna upgrade my health and shit, right? And that increases maximum mana. Oh. Okay. Let's meditate. Oh, this is gonna be therapeutic. I know the graphics are gonna make it look so good. Does look nice. Alright. Wait, didn't I get a new mask because I defeated that guy? What the fuck is that?
Oh, Thank me, Tabar. Oh, finally then, the 3 bells sang. Disciples come, I hear travelers approaching my temple carrying new treasures.
He's blind.
I cannot see you, but I recognize your odor. It cannot be you. You are back? It must be you who took that Kasaya. Now give it back!
What the hell's happening here? Oh, oh my fucking hell. Oh, they healing him. That's so bullshit. Oh my, I did not know this. He's fake, he's full health again, basically. Oh my soul! So I have to run around and kill all of these guys, otherwise he gets all of his health back. My dude! I got you! Holy shit, can you just fucking understand the inputs I'm giving? This guy's not fast, I'm dodging everything when I should, even before I should. No. There's no way that hit me. Most of those things, it's fucking annoying now. Yes. Oh, this dude's such a fucking baby. Just throwing a tantrum and then hitting his head and shit on the ground. Like, fuck you mean, bro? And dodge. Yeah. Oh my, no. Dodge. Oh fuck, I can't get away, man. Okay, I thought I hit him there.
Get it now!
Okay, bruh. Okay. Where are these dudes at now? And I can't lock onto them. No, no, no. Bruh, there wasn't even the sparky things this time. What do you mean? Oh my soul, it's one of these again. Okay. Come on. What hit me there? What? What? Oh, dodge away, come on. Come on. You stupid baby bitch. Oh.
270 years spent. Kasayas collected by the hundreds.
I hope this guy's dead. There's no second phase, please. He had so much health compared to the other guys.
No, stop. Go. Leave it. Just leave it. Stop the fire.
Think fuck. I know it said defeated, but I've got a feeling there's gonna be one that just says defeated and he's just like, nah, I'm not dying now, you're coming with me. And then he just goes into, you know, Minecraft creative mode and just destroys everything around him, including you. Fireproof mantle, leave everything out, let everything else burn. I care for nothing but my master. Give it to me quickly.
The fireproof mantle. The great sage borrowed it from Virapaxa. How did it end up here?
Huh.
You must have freed that miserable soul. Oh, such is his end. A tragedy prologued by a sick glass. It's getting late. Let's hurry up the mountain.
More damage since the next build that you're gonna get, because it looks cool, because that's what I'm gonna use. Oh, it's another boss. Cool, bro. I'm bossing after bossing in this game now. Holy shit.
500 years. I have rebuilt the temple. Now it's grander in scope. All those monks consumed by the fire turn to wandering ghosts roaming in Black Wind Mountain. It was I who granted them eternal repose.
Dude
I have
is
even
fucking
restored the
yoked.
charred scriptures piece by
Holy shit.
piece. But oh yes, I always knew. One day you shall return.
Okay. My brother, just calm down. What does that even do?
To lay claim to my beloved.
I'm glad they give the biggest fucking dude I've seen in my life the ability to teleport for some reason. No! How did that not finish him off? Oh! You just can't do damage to him by freezing him in the second half of the game. Like in his second part of his health when he starts doing all these crazy shit. That's good to know. Holy.
You challenge me without letting me. I am the Black Wind.
Right? Fucking hell. Oh, fuck. Holy shit.
Who are you to stand against me? Strike!
Yeah, son. Finally got that off. Aye. Fuck. Aye. What?
Think you're rock solid?
Dude. Aye, 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 man. Oh my fucking hell. Fuck yes. Oh, dude. I haven't dealt with a lot of people that can tell a fucking board.
Tricks.
Holy
Meet
shit.
me at the summit if you dare.
Oh. You pulled a Malekith.
The spell you
Not
just
Malekith,
cast may appear
Margit.
intricate,
Yeah, that one.
but it's not hard to learn. But Black Bear's expertise is lacking. Serving Guan Yin didn't help him much. But what he left here could surely help us. Consider today your lucky day.
What did I just get? Cloud Step spell. Dispersing into mist allows for an escape and provides the opportunity to execute an unveiling strike. Huh.
Head is a treacherous path, young monkey. Don't
Oh my
forget
soul,
the
I can't
spell
dodge
you
out of
have
these
learned.
fucking... Come then. Dude, Nah, fuck all of these dudes, honestly. They're starting to piss me off now.
Master promised to reward whoever.
Why? Who designed this level and went, oh, nah, just put a bunch of fucking archers there, why not? Holy shit, bro. Oh, that was just pure annoyance, fuck me. Oh, that actually started annoying me. So this is like the final battle, I guess, between us. And he's probably gonna be stronger.
Out of sight, out of mind is a fool's task. Seeing but seeing through is what wise men do. But didn't he turn mad
What's going on here?
by what he saw too?
Okay. Ah, well, I mean, I didn't do too bad there.
driven by greed, not destiny.
Let's test out this bad boy. How did I not hit him in the ass right there? Here we go. Come on. Oh my. Okay, I got hit there, fuck. Ah. Dude. I can't see the thing. Okay. Come on. There we go. Oi. Come on. That's fine. Oh. Okay, it's one of these again. It's a weird fucking timing thing, this. Come on then. Oh. Come on. Come on. Power through, come on, come on. Second fucking try. Okay, something's wrong here again. There we go.
Your sorry light for today.
Is he still alive?
Fortune is no longer on your side. No one will come to your aid. All I need is to take it elsewhere and rebuild everything anew.
Wait, what's happening?
Great sage. Oh, pardon me, young sage. Mercy, young sage, have mercy. I was just a pawn of the celestial court. If given a choice, Who dared to challenge the mighty wrecker of the Celestial Palace?
His words ring true. No matter how daring he was, he had not the nerve to harm the great sage. There must be someone else pulling all the strings.
Exactly, and this thing is eerie. I had no idea how to make use of its power. Except to enshrine it up there, tricking lesser Yaoguais into offerings.
Okay.
If you pardon me, I'll go back to Guanyin to atone for my actions and be put back on the encaging band. You will never see me out there anymore.
Oh, ignore his nonsense. Go now, little monkey. Go and retrieve the great sage's relic.
Monkey versus Bear and Monkey Juan. A bird? What is this? I didn't know there were gonna be like little anime sections in this game. Is this how he can transform into a bear? It's such a great way to tell a story like this. That's the mantle I have now, right? So that secret boss I fought was this kid, well, this old man that technically set the what's called a blaze, and he turned into that monster.
Master, it still puzzles me. A monk's lust for gold should be quelled. Why does Elder Jinche still cling to that one Kasaya?
Bereft of that Kasaya, how shall they show the world their ties are cut and their lust is quelled?
Chapter 1 done.
Across streams, over hills, and through the black wind your blood has spilled. Wolves howl, snakes wind, flames lick, and the smoke blinds. Stumble on the lesser, lame, crash before their betters, shame. With such clumsiness, what destiny do you claim? As the small fish catches its prey, the bigger lurks behind. Who is the bigger fish? I can't see it. As for the prey and the small fish, they are swimming everywhere.
We obtained one relic. Level 19 now, damn. Okay. Oh, this is cool. Just look at the detail of this, bro. It looks so clean.